InstantCheckmate is another popular data broker website that collects and sells all kinds of personal information on their website. To remove your information from InstantCheckmate, simply fill out the opt-out form on their website and your record should be removed within 24 to 48 hours. Here's how you can remove your information from InstantCheckmate. First, go to InstantCheckmate's opt-out page. Then put your first and last name on the appropriate field. Specify your city and state. Then, click on the Search button. Find the most relevant result and click the Remove this record button. Afterwards, enter your email address. Then, perform the CAPTCHA. Click Send Confirmation Email button. You may now check your inbox to find an email from InstantCheckmate. Click Confirm Opt-out link on your email. Your request will be received. You may expect to remove your information from InstantCheckmate within 48 hours. To find out more on how we can help you with this, visit us at deletemyinfo.com. Thank you.